The standing alternating arm curls with leg raises. 1. Stand tall with feet hip-width apart. 2. Hold a dumbbell in each hand by your sides, palms facing forward. 3. Keep a slight bend in your knees and engage your core. Movement 1. Simultaneously. Curl the right dumbbell toward your shoulder. Bicep curl. Lift your left leg straight out in front to about hip height, or as high as you can with control. 2. Pause briefly at the top of the movement. 3. Slowly lower both the dumbbell and the leg back to the starting position. 4. Repeat on the opposite side. Curl the left dumbbell, raise the right leg. 5. Continue alternating sides. 2 to 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps per side, controlled pace. Don't swing the dumbbells. Control the motion. Keep your back straight and avoid leaning back as you lift your leg. Raise the leg only as high as you can without losing posture or balance. Please check my next video.